Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the presentation for Group 3 Dinoco Introduction of FYP Proposal Go-Kart. My name is Muhammad Fakhurazi bin Ahmad Fuzi and I act as the leader of this team. So first thing first, the contents. These slides consist of the introductions, problem statement, objective, and also project management will be inserted at the end of the slides. Whereas the product design specifications, benefits and innovation value will be provided by my teammates inside of our YouTube playlist. Introduction. A go-kart is a type of open-wheel car. Go-karts come in all shapes and forms, from motorless models to high-powered racing machines. Besides traditional kart racing, many commercial enterprises offer karts for rent, often called recreation or concession karts. The tracks can be indoor or outdoor. Karts are rented by session, usually from 10 to 30 minutes. Many people would have wanted to play this regularly as other sports. However, the price for renting is quite pricey and irrelevant. So we came up with a plan to create or to reproduce our own go-kart within budget, functions well, and safe. And you can see from the picture, go-kart is just not a game that people race and decided who come first and who come last. It's actually a serious sport where people play competitively to win their prizes, and also it requires higher skill to drive and to do drift inside of the track. Problem statement. A problem statement is a concise description of an issue to be addressed or a condition to be improved upon. First problem that's faced by go-kart is actually the renting price for go-kart per game is not affordable for some people. Based on from my experience, the last time that I played go-kart is about 2 months ago, and the renting price for about 5 to 10 minutes is about 30 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. Next, most go-kart does not suit the person who drives. As an example, a person's height. I'm sorry for the information about weight. Actually, weight of a go-kart can support is 450 pounds, which is equivalent to 204 kilogram max. So the problem is actually about the height, because some people that it was because the design of a go-kart, a normal go-kart, they take it from a person that have the average height that is about 170 to 180. So the person that is much that does not in the range of that might have difficulties in or problem while riding this go-kart. So next, objective. Goal, a result of a possible outcome that a person or a system desires. To establish a design parameter for go-kart using SolidWorks. Second, to fabricate a design go-kart using established parameter. Third, to test the performance of a go-kart in suitable places. Okay, this is a survey done. Survey is actually an examination of consumers' information of a particular product made by asking a group of people a set of questions. We did this among students and mostly among random people. Okay, as you can see from the gender, we did it almost equal and equivalent. The male is about 58% and the female is about 42%. The current occupation is mostly covered by students. Okay, now next is the chart. The third chart is about personal monthly income, because we want to know whether they can afford to play it regularly or not. Okay, so the next is did they ever have the experience to play go-kart? You can see from the fourth chart. Okay, the fifth chart, how frequent do you play go-kart? So from this we can to truly conclude that most people can play go-kart not regularly, because you can see from the statistic it shows that once every few months shows that they may play it more than 6, more than 12. We do not know for the specific information, so they play it not regularly. Okay, so the 6 is do they know the price of a go-kart to produce a go-kart? The 7, we also ask whether they want to, if they can build their own go-kart, what kind of special features that they want. Okay, the first and the most voted is the unique design, because many people will have want to show that this is their own kart, their own go-kart. They have a special features such as stickers, such as the design complicated design that have the roof or something that shows their own personality. The A is the range price of do they prefer, ranging from 0 to more than 1000. Okay, last is do they want to buy the product or not. You can see from the chart, the ninth pie chart. Next, product design specification, conceptual design. Part A, tire and axle, front and back by Amri and Firdaus. Part B, drivetrain, chain and sprockets by Yusuf and Fakrazi. Braking system by Awang. Part C, engine system, throttle system by Lokman. Engine system by Shazwan. Part D, steering system by Dini. Part E, upper body pitch reinforcement by Farhan and Hamdi. Part F, fabrication of car. From Part A to Part E, the video and information will be provided inside of our YouTube playlist. Whereas of Part F, fabrication of car, the video was not recorded. Due to the fabrication of car, we use the fabrication and the base given by the lecturer because it is easier to use. As for the project management Gantt chart, as you can see from the first bracket, group and supervisor interaction, we have done it at the first and the second week, whereas the proposal will be done by this week. That's all for the project management or Gantt chart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and goodbye.